Hey everyone, today let's dive into the details of America's best-selling truck series, the Ford F-Series. The Ford F-Series, especially the F-150, is renowned for its versatility. Whether you need a workhorse or a luxury ride, there's an F-150 for you. Inside, the F-150 offers a spacious and well-built cabin. With options like a 12-inch touchscreen and premium audio systems, it's as comfortable as it is functional. Under the hood, you can choose from a range of powerful engines, including the 3.5L PowerBoost Hybrid V6 and the 5.2L Supercharged V8, delivering up to 720 horsepower one. Needed to tow, the F-150 can handle up to 13,500 pounds, making it perfect for heavy-duty task one. For off-road enthusiasts, the F-150 Raptor offers advanced off-roading capabilities with features like Fox Live Valve shocks and a terrain management system. With its blend of power, comfort, and versatility, the Ford F-Series continues to set the standard for trucks. Ready to experience it? Visit your local Ford dealer today.